Human beings used to be expert packers because we had to carry everything on our backs. But we've lost this skill through time, so let's sharpen the blade with how to become a pack animal. Let's start with the traditional packing technique, or what's commonly known as the cram and jam. While this method is a time saver, it's not the best way to organize or keep clothes unwrinkled. For a more efficient method, try the roll technique to prevent wrinkles and save space. Another way to pack is with packing cubes, or a fabric pouch with zippers. These babies are great for organizing your suitcase and make it easy to separate your shirts, undies, socks, and accessories. Or you can organize by outfit, or by species. And when it's time to load up your suitcase, packing cubes keep everything organized and in their place. And finally, compression cubes, the pinnacle of the packing evolution. Use these to create the most space possible. Just fill like a normal packing cube and then zip up the extra zipper around the outside. Now every inch of your suitcase is accounted for. But while compression cubes save the most space, things can end up a bit wrinkly. Not a problem if you're going hunting, but a slight problem if you're going to a conference. And there you have it, 4 ways to sharpen your packing skills no matter where you're going. Safe travels.